Yeah, I'm not sure. I tried another the 35 feet and not work. This is a 50. I want to see. Yeah. Do what you have to do, no problem.
Just hungry.
Yeah, go ahead.
Want a glass of water or something?
No, I'm okay.
I'm not sure the root got the gravel here.
Oh, you're seeing on the root?
Maybe.
Yes, maybe. I'm not sure yet. Right now, look like better than before. Okay, probably fix. So long to get hot water, huh? So long to get hot water in. Take like 2-3 minutes.
Takes a long time.
Yes, I just got hot water. Okay, I flush like couple minutes right now. It's no more clog. So should it be good this time? Yes. The 50 work. The 35 not work.
So it's longer.
Yes.